Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to authenticate a domain in Brevo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Brevo, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Authenticating a domain in Brevo is a simple process that is very essential for ensuring the success of your email campaigns. Because for one, authentication reduces the chances of your emails landing in spam folders. Now, what it means is that it signals to email providers like Gmail, Yahoo, or other email providers that Brevo is authorized to send emails on behalf of your domain. So how do we do it? Once you are logged into your account here in Brevo, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon and then click the senders, domains, and dedicated IPs. You will be forwarded to this section. All right. There's like three tabs for that. You have the senders, the domains, and dedicated IPs. Obviously, we're going to be choosing the domains. And from here, there is an option that says Authenticate. Right? I want you to click on it. Do not click the trash can or delete icon, but instead Authenticate, because this is the perfect time for us to do it. You see, the domain status is kind of not authenticated yet. All right, so we wanted to avoid all these problems later on when we create a campaign for Brevo. All right. Basically, authenticated emails appear more trustworthy to recipients and email service providers. It ensures that recipients recognize your domain as the legitimate sender. So click this button right here. You'll be forwarded to this option. It takes a little while. You want to make sure that you have an active internet connection and you are not using any proxy or VPN. Okay? Because it may interfere with the process. You would notice that there is a small notif here. To authenticate this domain, copy the values of the Brevo code like DKIM, DMARC records, and paste them into your email domain provider. All right. Again, you might want to make sure authentication can take up to 48 hours. If you want to update your email domain provider, just click this button right here, which is I'm going to do it right now because my domain hosting provider is Squarespace. So I'm going to select that option here. So it kind of like makes my life easier. And if you're using any hosting provider, you might want to search them here as well. So, saves you time. If you're using Amazon Web Services, Bluehost, Cloudflare, Crazy Domains, HostGator. So I'm going to choose Squarespace for now. Click the, if your email domain provider is not listed, choose other. All right, click on save. Just wait for it. Now, the next thing is, let's go to the instructions here. It says we need to copy the DKIM, which is this one right here, and paste in the DMARC record, and paste them to Squarespace. All right. So first one is I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna quickly switch to my Squarespace account. Now, you might want to log into your Squarespace account or any hosting provider. In my case, I'm using this. If you're also using Squarespace, this is a golden opportunity because it's a lot easier to follow. But essentially, the methods are the same. All I have to do is go to the domain. So if your hosting provider has a domain section on top of your profile icon, you might want to click that. You will be then forwarded here. You see? And all I have to do is click the domain. Now, in this section, I want you to go to the DNS and click the DNS settings. All right, you will have an option here wherein all I'm going to do is go to the add record. Remember the instruction earlier, we need to copy the information from Brevo going here. So let's go back again to the Brevo. So basically, I'm just going to copy all of these going back to Squarespace. All right, so give me a quick second. So first one is going to be this, all right? If you want to add record, click the add record here. Number one option is going to be the Brevo code if you want. So that's going to be type is text, all right? Host is going to be @ So you have to follow all these. and I'm gonna copy the data. All right. Click on save. Now, the next thing is we're going to add a new record, which is gonna be a DKIM. All right. So, which is gonna be CNAME. Now, the CNAME, you just have to go back and forth going to your Brevo account. Or if you do want, just copy and paste it to like a WordPad or Notepad, so it's a lot easier for you to hover. All right. But in my case, I am using dual monitors, so I'm just switching around into displays. All right. So I'm gonna copy all of these, and then go to the host for CNAME or DKIM record. Type in this one. All right. And alias data is this. So click on save. Now we're going to add a DKIM2 record, right? So same thing, it's going to be a CNAME. This time, just copy the Brevo code, which is domain key 2. And then for alias data, copy that going here. I save this in a notepad, so I'm just copy and pasting. And then the last is going to be the DMARC record. I'm going to add a record here again. This time it's going to be a text format because that is for the DMARC host. And then for the data, right here, I'm going to click on it and then click the save. Now, once you've saved this, I want you to hover again to your Brevo account, and then I want you to click the authenticate this email domain. All right. Takes a little while. It says the domain is now authenticated. It'll take a little while. All right. To like 48 hours. In the meantime, check if the authentication is complete by refreshing the domain status on the domains page. All right. Check there if there's no error provided between the records by Brevo and those entered in your email domain provider, which is going to be dear Squarespace. All right. For example, this one. All right. So want to make sure that this is correct. If you want to go back to domains, click authenticate, click on continue. It takes a little while, really. And again, just wait for it for 48 hours and your email domain or domain will be authenticated in the Brevo platform. All right. And again, when you go back to the Brevo, if in case after 48 hours, there's still an error happening between your domain and Brevo, you might want to click the contact support option, which is one of the fastest tool for you to be able to get assistance and technical support. Sometimes, you know, the website is kind of laggy or there's a downtime. These guys are here to give you support if in case you encounter any problems. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Just be descriptive about your problem and you can attach a screenshot of the problem right here. Okay. And one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix it. Thank you again so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next video.